Hi, Don.
Hi, Peggy. How you doing?
Good.
Nice to see you.
I want to introduce you to another hot guy with hot cars, Don Plumb.
Well, thank you. You just got out of my little 1910 Maxwell, two-cylinder car. You want to see my first car?
I do.
This is a 1926 Model T Ford. Bought that when I was 13. Maybe 250 bucks about to buy it new. It was simple, primitive, underpowered. This car is special in that ladies didn't drive cars much in the early days because many of them weren't strong enough to crank the car to start it. Cadillac came out with the original starter on all of their cars in 1912. And everybody wanted a starter once that came on the market because that meant freedom, you didn't have to crank, women could drive them, and so on. Would you like to go for a ride in one of these?
I would.
Let's take this 1914 Cadillac. It's a little complicated to start it. We'll turn it on and go for a spin. To get this thing started, you gotta pump some pressure in the gas tank and put on the choke. The most common reason you'd lose your car in the day, fire. So that's why the early garages were little one-car garages, not connected to the house. All the early cars were right-hand drive in the US because wagon drivers sat on the right, the stagecoach driver sat on the right. It was the norm to drive on the right. A guy came along and said, no, that doesn't make any sense. They should be all left-hand drive. So he made his cars left-hand drive, and his name happened to be Ford.
So show us inside this beauty, can you?
I can. This car was sold new in Portland in 1910. Strange looking engine and no radiator because it's air cooled. The engine is all shrouded, and it's funny to see this car going because all these valves go clickety clackety.
What powered this?
Kerosene lantern.
Kerosene.
They didn't have street lights, so if you left something out all night, you had to light it.
Don, thank you for sharing your deep knowledge and history of our heritage.
Quite welcome.
Of old cars. And audience, thank you for playing with me today with hot guys and hot cars in Oregon. See you next time.